So this first shot, I don't know, I like it, but I don't. I like the track leading up and around the back of this fallen tree, but there just seems to be something missing, so moving on. This next shot, I really like it. Maybe it's a little muddy in the background, but I love the track leading to the top and the left over frost. It's just glazing the grass quite nicely. So, this channel. I just want to have an outlet to share my photography. Shock. But hey, maybe some of you will like it and hang around and see where this goes. Maybe some of you will hate it and you have already turned off this video. We'll never know unless we try. So this location is a small hill near my local village. It's the sort of place that you went to when you were in your early teenage years and spent the entire day there. However, nowadays all the kids have Fortnite, and so it's often now just empty. I love this shot. By the way, all the photos from today were shot on an iPhone. Wild, right? What sort of photographer shoots on an iPhone? Well, I do. I got an iPhone 16 Pro Max not too long ago, and it has some pretty impressive capabilities when it comes to a device that can take video and shoot photography. It now shoots in raw photo files, and it can shoot in log content. Well, the log profile content. I don't know. I'm still learning the ropes. Anyways, I love the track leading down on the slope on the hill and the colours of the trees. The sky in this shot is probably the least grey of the whole trip, so enjoy it whilst it lasts. Once I just managed to climb up to the top of the hill and slipped and got mud all over me. If you couldn't tell, there's a theme of leading lines in this shoot, and, well, how original. These rocks just told me they had to be shot. I mean, just look how they were sat, perfectly positioned, ready for me and my stupid bit of kit. I think this shot is definitely one of my favourites from the trip. I'm not sure, but it's definitely one of the better ones. I just love how the trees on the left just stand out above the orange tint of whatever shrub that is, and the way the path just vanishes. Now, this tree has always stood out up here. It used to be the location that every school trip would aim to get to and end up resting for some lunch. Nowadays, it just makes for a good subject of photography. I think this photo is another highlight from the shoot. It's not to everyone's taste, but I love how the red tree pokes out from the bottom and the way the grass stands out around the trees. Now at the top of the hill, I decided to make the use of my new phone's 5x zoom and try and get some decent misty morning photography shots. Once we had paid our respects to the only viewpoint in a 30-minute radius, we decided it was time to head back down. Yep, that's a trough. A trough? Drown? Anyway, I don't know why I wanted to take a shot of this, but here you go. Remember I said that this was the only viewpoint a second ago? Well, I lied. Or I forgot. Either way, this is the sledging slope as it's called around these parts, and it made for a nice shot looking down into the village. These shots were okay. I actually really like the black and white shot of this fir tree. Now, this tree has always stood out here. It's the only one of these type of trees in the area, so that's safe to say I'm probably not the first to capture this shot, but hey, originality is wasted anyway. I love this shot of the lady and her dog, but damn, I wish she was wearing a red jacket. That would have really just added another layer here. So from this trip, I got 8 shots that are definitely keepers, and then of those 8 shots, I reckon 4 are probably website/portfolio worthy. Maybe there'll be a Squarespace website coming to you soon. Who knows? We'll see.